Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to reset your Cox Wi-Fi box. Really easy and simple guys, so to do this you're going to be using the Cox app. Just sign in with your primary user ID and password, and on the home screen what you're going to do guys is under the My Services section, you're going to locate the equipment you want to reboot. For example, if you want to reboot your internet modem, you just come here to your internet modem section right here, click on reset modem. In the My TV section, you can go ahead and click on reset equipment. Then you want to just follow the following steps to reboot your equipment. So from the reset modem screen, this is what you do guys. You come here down here, click on begin reset, right? Just click on that, and then a screen will be displayed that says that we're resetting your modem and your modem will reboot. This could take up to 10 minutes for the modem to complete, the reboot cycle. And then what you can do is from the reset your cable box screen, just also tap on begin reset, and you'll get a display message that says we are resetting your cable box and your receiver will reboot. This could take up to 30 minutes for the receiver to complete the reboot cycle and load all the guide data. Really easy and simple. So basically come here, log in My Services section, click on reboot for whatever you want to reboot. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.